Hello everybody, welcome to this video on how to make money online. I'm going to show you one website today. They're called Timebucks, where you can take a survey. There are so many things you can do here. Like for example, let us just take this one. This one is a slideshow. Time remaining until next offer. So let us do this one. You only watch next video, you only click next until you have to wait for after a second. You just view funny things to make money. Next. Next. After finishing this survey, you see that my income here would increase by 1. So let's see how. There are so many things you can do on this website. You see it has increased. So that is how you make money. And there's another way again. You can use referral link to also make money. If I go to my dashboard, you can also use my referral link to make money. And if you want more other site again to make money, where I'll give you an offer for using my referral link to make money on Honey again, just use this link. I'll post the link down below. If you claim, congratulations for using a referral link, you are eligible to claim $5. So if you just want instant $5 in your account, just use this link. I'm gonna post it down below. Okay, so that's another way to make money on Timebucks. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Alright, and I will see you guys in the next video.